Uh, yeah. Hello all. This is a short video on ICT initiatives of MHRD and UGC, and this is the official. This is also in the official website of UGC. This is mainly for the uh, undergraduate students, postgraduate students, as well as researchers and teachers. We know this period from March 16 to the April 30, the whole nation has undergone a complete lockdown. Even the universities and educational institutions too. As a precautionary measures, everyone should maintain a social distancing by staying in their premises. So this lockdown should not also stop the learning for the students. So in this regard, the MHRD and UGC came together for providing various platforms for students to engage in online learning. Okay. And they have been listed around 10 uh, ICT initiatives along with their access. So we'll just see what are those. So in this list, there are which are useful for UG as well as PG and researchers as well as the for faculty members. In that case, a Swayam UG or PG, e-Pathshala, e-Content, Swayam Prabha, CEC or UGC YouTube channel, National Digital Library. First seven in the list are very useful for the UG and PG, and this seventh, eighth, ninth. So where National Digital Library, Shodh Khanga, Shodh Sindhu. So these are very useful for researchers, so who are research scholars. And this Vidwan, this is mainly useful for the faculty who wants to uh, increase their database with the peers. So we'll just see what is this, uh, what are these initiatives are. First one is Swayam online courses. Hope the whole undergraduates or who are pursuing the undergraduates know this Swayam, or else we can call it as NPTEL also. So which provides access to the best teaching learning resources which were earlier delivered on Swayam platform, may be now viewed for by any learner free of cost without any registration. So one who wants to learn this, they can learn for free of cost, but one who wants to get the certified in that particular course need to pay the exam fee. So these five courses are mostly taken from the IITs, NITs, or any government aided institutions. So the platform looks like in this way. So where the courses engineering, non-engineering, secondary and senior secondary courses, NCERT textbooks, plus one, plus two, and senior secondary, any certificate or diploma, or any other courses like learning programming, e-books, robotics, and conduct scientific experiments virtually. So if one is interested in any of this, can go to this site and choose their respective uh, domains. Next one is UG or PG MOOCs host the learning material of Swayam UG and PG, mostly of non-technology and archived courses. We'll just see the portal. Yeah, so this is the UG MOOCs. So almost for PG courses there are 89 courses, and UG courses there are 207. This is mostly for the e-content, not the video lectures, and that too it's a non-technical, so it won't have content related to the engineering, mostly science, arts, humanities, law, and natural sciences. The one who is interested in those courses can go to this site. Next one is PG Pathshala. So hosts high quality curriculum based interactive e-content containing 23,000 modules. So it contains both the e-text as well as video in 70 postgraduate disciplines of social sciences, arts, fine arts and humanities, natural, mathematical sciences. So this is purely for the PG, and that too non-technical subjects. We'll just see the portal. Yeah, so this is the portal of Pathshala. Yes, the around 22,000 plus modules, e-text as well as videos has been put it in the portal. One who is interested to learn this material can log into this portal. Fourth one is e-content courseware in UG subjects. So it is e-content in 87 undergraduate courses with about 24,000 plus e-content modules is available on the CEC website. We'll just go to the CEC website. Yes, this is the CEC website portal, and it is under the UGC control. Yeah, see there are various options like Vyas channel, CEC MOOCs, open education resources. So whatever the student interested in this can look into this portal. Fifth one is Swayam Prabha. It is a DTH channel. One who has the access for the cable network can get advantage from this Swayam Prabha, where the lectures will be telecasted in the television itself. So this is mainly for the students or people who doesn't have the mobiles or laptops or desktops in their homes. And sixth one is CEC UGC YouTube channel, so which provides the unlimited educational curriculum based lectures which are absolutely free. So one who is interested in this, go to this link and you can get the content. Seventh one is National Digital Library. This is the initiated by the IIT Kharagpur, so where it contains the vast number of academic e-content in different formats. So we'll just see what is that National Digital Library. Yeah, see there are different types of learning resources like technical report, manual, it's an album, law, technical or monographs. So books, thesis, audio lectures, video lectures, manuscripts, articles, or if you want to go for the subject domain, you can choose the respective subjects. Yes. Next, Shodh Ganga. This is mainly for the research scholars. It contains the 260,000 Indian electronic thesis, so which is the soft copy of the full thesis will be in Shodh Ganga. One who wants to look at those thesis for their thesis preparation, one can look into this portal. Ninth one is Shodh Sindhu, so which is having the access to the more than 15,000 crore and peer-reviewed journals and a number of bibliographic. So this is also mainly helpful for the PG as well as research scholars. Next, 10th one is Vidwan. This is mainly for the faculty who want to broaden their database in the field of their domain. So one who wants to broaden their subject knowledge or to utilize this lockdown time to gain more knowledge and also to use up to the online learning can make use of these websites for their benefit. If one who likes this video, So please share with your friends, and thanks for your time. Thank you.